Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to convert column into CSV using simple Excel function and formula. So I will show you two formula one by one. First formula, type here equal sign. Now write text join. So double click on text join. Now this symbol and comma. Again this symbol and comma. Here guys you will see value true for ignore empty cells, else select false including empty cells. So select any value like select true. Now comma and select data. Now closing bracket, press enter. So you have this column into CSV format. Second method you can try equal sign and type con and select concat and select data. Now and now this symbol comma this symbol and closing bracket. So this is the formula to convert your column into CSV format. Then press enter. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you and please share, like and subscribe this channel.